Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to search for a file, only to realize you have no idea how to do it? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to search for a file using PHP. I totally get it. Learning PHP can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not a developer by trade. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people find themselves in similar situations, trying to pick up new skills for their jobs. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned they have an Excel sheet with links to manuals that need updating. They want to automate this process using PHP to save time. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore how to make this work. So what's the challenge here? The user needs to search for a manual file in a directory using PHP. They've already set up an AJAX call to send data from JavaScript to PHP, but they're struggling with the PHP code itself. Let's break it down. And stick around. I'll share a crucial tip at the end that will help you streamline your file searching process even further. To begin, the user should ensure that the PHP script is correctly set up to receive the data from the AJAX call. This involves checking that the data is being sent properly from the JavaScript side. Next, the user needs to modify the PHP script to handle the search functionality correctly. This includes ensuring that the search variable is set and that the directory path is accurate. Now, the user should focus on the loop that searches through the directory. It's important to ensure that the search logic is correctly implemented to find the manual files. Finally, the user should handle the output correctly. This means checking if the file was found and returning the appropriate response, including the link to the manual if it exists. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of PHP was created in 1994? It was originally a simple set of tools for web development, and look how far it has come. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by a user involves creating a class with a method to find a file in a directory. This method uses recursion and early termination to improve efficiency. It scans the directory and checks each file, returning the path if the target file is found. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the globe function in PHP. This function allows you to search for files matching a specific pattern, which can simplify your file search process. Here's a pro tip. Always validate your inputs in PHP to avoid unexpected errors. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to search for files using PHP effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.